and electronics repair, you'll come across two types of components: SMD, surface mount devices, and through-hole components.
Through-hole components. These have leads that go through holes in the PCB, easier to work with for beginners. Common in older devices and power sections. Example, big capacitors, transformers, relays, resistors with long leads, SMD components. These sit flat on the PCB surface. Much smaller, used in modern phones, laptops, and LED TVs. Example, SMD resistors, diodes, ICs, transistors. When repairing, you need different tools for each. For through-hole, a soldering iron and desoldering pump is enough. For SMDs, you'll often need tweezers, a magnifier, and a hot air rework station. Soldering is a core skill in electronics repair. You'll be removing faulty components and replacing them, so it's important to solder cleanly and safely. Tools you need: soldering iron with clean, fine tip, solder wire, preferably leaded 6040, desoldering pump or braid flux, liquid or paste, isopropyl alcohol, and brush for cleaning. Good solder joint: shiny, dome-shaped, and stable. No movement while cooling. Use flux to make joints smooth and reduce oxidation. Avoid cold joints, dull or cracked. Too much solder can short nearby pads. Overheating the pad can lift or damage the PCB. Practice tip: use a scrapboard and practice removing and replacing resistors and capacitors. Watch how solder melts and flows. Lecture 3, Jumper Wiring and Pad Repair. Sometimes a pad or track gets lifted during desoldering, or a PCB trace is broken due to heat or physical damage. That's where jumper wiring comes in. Jumper wires, thin enamel wire or copper wire used to reconnect broken traces. Can go pad to pad, leg to track, or leg to pin of a nearby IC. Pad repair: if a solder pad is lifted, you can scratch nearby copper and solder directly to it. Use UV solder mask to rebuild the pad. Optional. Stick with secure jumper wiring for most cases. This is a critical technique for working on mobile phones, TVs, and AC control boards where pad damage is common. Always test continuity after a jumper repair. In this section, you've learned the difference between SMD and through-hole components, how to perform clean soldering and safe desoldering, how to do jumper wiring and repair lifted pads. These are practical skills you'll use on every repair job, from TVs to mobile phones.